Your Google reviews can build trust and attract more customers, but only if people actually see them. In this video, I will show you how to display your Google reviews directly on your website using GoHighLevel step by step. Welcome back to Easy Access Tech, the channel where we simplify technology for your business and boost your productivity. If that sounds good to you, hit the subscribe button and check the link in the description for the 30 days free trial link of the GoHighLevel and the live bootcamp access and some exclusive bonuses. Okay, so now let's get back to the video. So first of all, just log in your account, and from this left side panel, scroll down and you can see there is an option for settings. So go to settings and here search for the integration. So go with the integration, and here just you have to log in your Gmail account or connect your Gmail account. You can see my Gmail is connected. You can go with sign in with Google for the easy option, and here just go to the sites to edit your website page where you want to add your reviews. Now here just go to the website and here select the page which one you want to edit. Let's say I want to edit this page. Just click on this three dot, then edit. Now again just click on this edit. Okay, so inside the editor just click on this plus icon here and look for the reputation widget. Now just look for the reviews. You can see this one. Just hold and drag and drop here. Now you can see it's automatically added in the website page. So we don't have any reviews yet, so that's why you are just watching is 0. So basically this is how you can easily add the reviews widget in your website page. So after that you just need to click on this save or this publish. Let's save this and let's preview this. See, this is the review. Okay, so that's how basically you can add the reviews widget in your website page. So if you found this video helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe this channel, and obviously check the link in the description for the offers, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.